Welcome to Guaranty RV out in Junction City, Oregon. I'm going to show you this 2017 Surveyor. It's actually a 201 rear bath model, so it's a 201 RB. It's going to have a lot of nice features. It is a pre-owned product for us here. It's going to have a nice front cap to it, one slide. This is going to be kind of a lightweight trailer, a little smaller, rear bath, kind of an open floor plan. It has a couch as opposed to a dining table, if you will. Let's go take a look down the side of it here. It's going to have a power tongue jack, front pass-through bay, decent size awning actually on this, really nice. Outdoor speakers, lots of nice features to it. Let's go ahead and look on inside, see what we get. For a smaller trailer, it is double axle. I forgot to mention that outside. It's kind of nice, easier to tow, more safety. You have your bed with closets on either side, lots of storage under the bed as well. And the little slide out's not huge, not very deep, but it has this table that's here for storage. You would put down here, and that would be your eating table or your entertaining area. Just a couch. You'd put a TV back here in the back. It does have a little sound system to it. You do have your kitchen area here. It does have an oven and a microwave and a full-size, good-size fridge. It's got a lot of nice features and boasts a lot of nice stuff for a little trailer. You got your bathroom, big closet on the left-hand side. But you got lots of storage for a little trailer, which is a plus. But this trailer and any other trailer here at Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon, my name is Kirk, Captain Kirk. My cell phone is 541-601-8742. Shoot me a text or a call. Looking forward to helping you out. Thank you so much.